guys, what's up?
Hi
This is
guys.
Akriti.
And I'm Ruby.
Today we are going to a abandoned but not abandoned, not started yet place.
Under construction. It's a saloon.
Yeah,
So yeah, it's not going to be haunted, but then we think it's haunted but it's not haunted. We're just gonna make it funny. I hope it's not haunted.
it may be.
I don't think it is. Yeah, we'll just think it's haunted. Yeah, let's just go.
Let's just go.
really been made yet. This is Akriti
Hi.
and I'm going with her. And she's recording.
I'm recording
Wow.
for memories, I guess.
Yeah. So stylish zone and it looks very wonderful. It's something probably because they're new lights and still under construction.
It's under construction, guys. We are going into abandoned place. Okay, that's a haunted shit. Oh shit, there are people there. This architecture is pretty questionable. Even I'll. Okay, that looks like a receptions area.
One mirror, two mirror.
It's a bad omen for the people who actually know this.
Mirror in front of a mirror.
Okay, it kind of looks good.
Something more.
Yeah, I heard that.
Did you guys hear that?
I heard a tick.
Yeah, I did.
Maybe it's our shoes.
I'm scared.
I'm wearing Crocs. She's also some like slippers. Yeah. Okay. There's another mirror over this side, I guess. I hope I don't get electrocuted with these things dangling over here.
That was me.
Okay.
That's a school right there.
Yeah, that's the school. I hope it doesn't. Oh I was about to trip on this shit.
The light's on. Do you think there's someone in there?
The light is actually on. We didn't go inside and on the light. Devuda. Jai Durga Mata. This looks like a mortgage thing. Morgue, you know morgue? The place where they keep dead bodies. That's a restaurant.
Let's just go.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. I'm not putting bye because I want to record more. Don't know why. This is still a bad omen. It seems it's a portal to hell if you keep two mirrors. See, if you keep two mirrors facing each other, it means it's a portal to hell. Actually, I heard that. Someone said.
Again, this is us after filming that video, and we just wanted to explain you why did we run, because it would have been very awkward if we just ran. Yeah, so we just want to tell you that we heard something. We heard a noise which was louder than the one before, and yeah, it might be audible in the video as well, but I'm not sure.
Listen to it carefully before we leave. We didn't record it properly because we are scaredy folks.
No, we actually heard something, and by the way, we thought that might be the wind, but then if it was the wind while opening the door, it would have come from the front. It came from the back. We didn't even think of looking back. We just ran because why not? We don't want to put our lives in danger because of a haunted place.
Yeah, it's actually I am guessing it's a door squeak or something
From behind.
maybe.
I don't know. We're not going to that place ever again, or even if we do,
We might go there again.
what if?
Be tuned.
What if we go there after it's fully done?
I ain't stepping into a salon, people. I ain't stepping into a salon.
We'll just see.
I'm scared of aunties.
We'll see.
They look scary.
Shut up.
They do.
We'll see.
We'll see.
Fine. We'll see you until the next time. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.